Whiskey Sa,
Moscow Mule,
Mojito,
Martini,
Screwdriver,
Margarita,
LIT,
Old Fashioned,
Cosmo.
Daiquiri.
ये डैकरी एक होता है. ओ भाई बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बना दिया भाई.
Whiskey.
Tequila.
I think it's cognac.
Not going to be risky. Our final answer is Hi Tenzing. Want to get a drink? The name's Tail. Cocktail. Okay, I tried, man. Chalo, okay. No, but we are going to get cocktails in front of us and we have to identify which alcohol is inside it. Yes.
Sounds pretty simple.
Sounds very simple, Tenzing.
GNT is not cocktail, na? Because that's just gin and tonic.
No, that's no. Cocktail क्या होता है? Where your base is daru and you mix it with some kind of a sweet, मतलब
Added flavor.
Added flavor.
Like a lot of time they substitute gin with vodka in some drinks, you know.
Exactly.
And when you mix it with like sweeteners and like, you know, flavored soda or whatever, bitters and all, कैसे पता चलेगा यार?
I hate bitters, but
I don't know. Lately I've been really liking elderflower and gin.
Gin मेरा दिल लुटिया.
Oh.
Gin मैंने मार सुटिया.
One good thing is that Akshay and I are not competing against each other. We can work collaboratively, collectively as a team, जो हम करते हैं वैसे भी.
So Honey Tails and Honey Tails bring the
Cocktail.
Ooh.
Hi, my name is Manish. I'm bartender by profession and working in this industry since last 8 years. The Old Fashioned is very classic drink, like they invented in 1827. In this drink, the bourbon whiskey, Agostra bitter, and sugar cube. Lots of ice, finish with the orange peel.
Wow. Wow.
The
उठ गए. Yeah, it's like morning time. Yeah, it's got that
citrusy flavor.
Citrus.
I think this old fashioned. Cheers.
Cheers. With our contract just in case. Thank you, Tenzing. Bless you, बेटा. Oh भाई बहुत strong बना दिया भाई. Oh भाई. So I was reading that the world's first cocktail made in the 19th century in New Orleans was Sazerac. It was whiskey with cognac and bitters. That's exactly how this is tasting because it has whiskey base. What's the point?
Yeah, this for sure is whiskey based.
It is a little bitter
Yes, a lot bitter.
and it's got the sweet, which is the cognac.
Yeah, it's very, you know, when I sniffed it first, I thought I was going to get something really fruity and something refreshing. But maybe because I'm not a whiskey person, my throat's just burning a little bit.
Oh, Tenzing, such a difficult life.
I'm not going to anchor with this, okay?
I love you. This
मैं नहीं कर रही
I'm sorry, I'm
इसके
just
साथ.
messing with you.
No, actually, I'm okay with anybody. Rohit Bhatta also I really like. Biswas also I really like. Shivam also I'll manage, okay? Shivam also I'll manage, okay? Shivam also I'll manage.
चलो at least Kanish ने बोला Kanish कर I just thank you Kanki. Love you Kanki.
Okay, but what do you think this is? Is this what an old fashioned tastes like?
1 second. It's sweet. It's a little bitter. And it's got. यार ये whiskey है या cognac है बताओ तुम. Tenzing थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ.
It also tastes a little bit like honey JD.
ये whiskey है bro. ये whiskey है. Because the sweet would be put by like maybe some kind of flavoring and all.
Yeah. I think
जो-
it's whiskey too.
वो जो अंदर
Burning sensation है ना गले में. That's whiskey.
Not going to be risky. Our final answer is.
Whiskey.
We got the tones, notes right. I think let's go on to the next cocktail now.
Yeah.
So we'll make 2 martinis. One is watermelon martini. In this drink, watermelon fresh chunks, vodka, and lemon juice. The second one is the gimlet. We make it. So gin, lemon juice, a little bit of sugar in it.
Woo!
Arey, wow.
But wait, why do we have 2 of these?
That's a great question which I have an answer to. What you were saying earlier in the intro, Okay, some alcohols are like kind of interchangeable. Bantai, this is what it is.
Okay, this looks like a martini glass.
It smells very watermelon-y.
Oh my god, this tastes like candy.
Badri, I'm loving it.
What is this?
This is a Cosmo.
I love it.
मैं Tenzing का नाम बदल दूंगा if this is not a
मेरा
Cosmo.
क्यों भाई?
ये Cosmo है, Cosmo था और ये Cosmo रहेगा.
Have this other one so
Let's do
that
it.
we can just compare, you know, what different alcohols taste like. Cheers. Guys, I love gin. This
Is gin.
tastes like gin.
Gin.
I will. अगर ये gin नहीं निकली ना तो I will change my name.
I will change it also.
I will
I mean
change
your
it.
name. I'll change your name only.
Vodka,
This is a
gin. I knew it.
Tenzing is too sweet. Tenzing's favorite film is 10 Things I Hate About You.
Please get me the next drink.
Sex on the beach is a very popular drink from the clubs and bars and the tropical beaches. In this drink, the vodka, peach snap, lemon juice, orange juice, cranberry juice, lots of ice shake all together, pour in a glass, finish with the orange zest.
Yeah.
This looks like a tequila sunrise.
Just another tequila sunrise.
Just for your sake, I wish Rohit Bhatta was here. Just for this part.
वो कहाँ है आजकल?
Cheers though.
Cheers. Oh my freaking god, this is brilliant.
Fucking delicious.
Very nice.
This seems like the drink that you will have 2-3 drinks not realizing that it's alcohol but ending up fucked.
But I just want to tell you that there's a straw and that inside there is a berry. Together they have become a strawberry cocktail. This is.
I feel like it's cranberry instead of strawberry.
Doesn't matter. That's not the thing. It's not about guess the flavor. It's guess the alcohol, which I
I
think
say
it's a
it's
tequila.
tequila.
I think it's tequila.
Yeah, I also think it's tequila.
Yeah, why? You know why I think it's tequila? Because you said tequila sunrise first.
मेरे को भी बस उसी वजह से tequila sunrise लग रहा है.
क्योंकि gin हो गया, whiskey हो गया,
वॉडका हो गया
Vodka
तो
हो
ये
गया.
वापस tequila वापस तो
Tequila.
नहीं देंगे.
tequila. Dun da 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 dun dun. Da da dun da 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 dun.
We think it's tequila. It could be some miscellaneous drink.
It could, but it's tequila.
Wait, this is vodka. Oh, okay.
This is vodka. Oh, so you did vodka again.
Oh shit,
So
they
you have
fooled
screwed
us.
with us.
They fooled us.
They fooled us. I think Sex on the Beach, the reason they've kept it is because it does look like an on the beach drink, to be honest. If you name it Sex on the Beach, I'll want to ask, what the hell is a Sex on the Beach? Look
That's
at our-
why they decided to keep this sex on the beach.
Yes. I love our answers, bro. I think really we should straight go into academia after this.
Okay, can we move on to the next drink?
I think we can, but I love how I look like I'm on a beach.
It looks like we're in, what do you call, Hawaii?
Yeah.
Aloha, Akshay.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Black Russian is the very popular drink from Russia. So this is the very simple drink with the vodka and the khalwa. Khalwa is the coffee liquor. So 2 part of the vodka, 1 part of the khalwa, pour in a old-fashioned glass, lots of ice, stir it and serve it.
कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा है. I can't smell anything. Can you smell anything?
Ugh.
Oh. Oh, coffee.
This is
Baileys.
Kahlua.
हाँ?
Kahlua.
कलुआ. तो आज क्या हुआ फिर?
Yaar.
Well, there's a coffee taste in this, and that's really all. I would call it like an alcoholic espresso.
There's this drink in Blue Tokai called coffee tonic, and that's what I've never tried it, but I feel like this is what it would taste like. Do we count Kahlua as alcohol?
Yeah, this is liqueur,
Liqueur.
like liqueur kind of thing. No,
Do you think there's Bacardi in it?
could. After you have a few drinks, it's very, very difficult
It's
to
very
gauge.
hard. We can't identify alcohol, man. We'll just drink it.
Ah, ये इसको तो शर्ट पे डाल दो आप. क्या बात है? We don't identify alcohol. We just drink it. Bacardi is the main thing. White rum.
We think it's rum and Kahlua. Kahlua is basically like coffee liqueur.
Yeah.
It's coffee with a little bit of liquor in it.
Like Baileys.
It's Kahlua!
ये भी वोडका है भाई. ये क्या वीडियो आइडेंटिफाई द वोडका ड्रिंक्स है क्या? Why is everything vodka?
Why is everything vodka? Okay, so did we get this point or not?
We'll get half a point. Caustic दे दो. हाँ आधा तो दे दे. आधा दे दे बाद में देख लेंगे. बाद में देख लेंगे. आधा दे दे.
ठीक है.
आधा दे दे.
So can we get the next drink?
Yes.
Long Island iced tea is a very popular and classy drink from the Iceland. So they have tequila and gin, vodka, triple sec, white rum, lemon juice, top up with a coke, and lots of ice.
पीनी नहीं है. उसने पी नहीं है. पिला
मैंने
दी
पी
गई
नहीं
है.
है. This is LIIT.
Yeah, but what is the alcohol in it? This is an LIIT and an LIIT which is Long Island iced tea.
I know for a fact LIT does not have iced tea, it has Coca-Cola. Tell me, what do you think it has?
Bacardi, rum, vodka.
Yeah, I also think it's white rum, maybe some dark rum and vodka and
Yeah.
Coca-Cola.
Absolutely, huh?
And LIIT is so complicated. I've hosted some parties at my house, but I've never made LIIT.
I'd say तुम iced tea लो, उसके अंदर बहुत alcohol डालो, and that's what it is. Really, I've always thought it has iced tea in it.
Excuse
You
me.
can't even cut to another pair.
3 things. Vodka, rum, tequila.
Gin.
No, gin is not
हमें
in.
सब कुछ बोल देते हैं हम.
नहीं,
नहीं,
इसमें
no
नहीं
gin,
आता.
no gin. Only tequila then.
What?
What
Triple
is
sec is not liquor.
Triple sec क्या होता है?
कहाँ? कौन कहता है? Give me a shot of triple sec. बताना.
It's like Kahlua.
Yes.
It's like Kahlua. Say what you need to say. Say what you
I'm
need.
pretty drunk, but I know which one I liked the most, which was the watermelon martini.
Love it, yaar.
That is the one thing that I look for in a good cocktail. If it tastes nothing like the drink in
You're
itself.
right. But the only thing I would have loved in it, na, the one thing that I think that could have made that cocktail better was crushed ice, bro.
And a little bit of salt trim.
Ah. Also really enjoyed the Kahlua one, man. The coffee one was nice.
You know, cocktails are lethal because you'll drink fast because it tastes nice, but you won't realize that you're getting equally drunk.
So that is the thing of cocktails, bro. That is the maza of cocktails, and that's the USP.
Okay, if I had to make an ideal cocktail, my cocktail, mango slushy, you know, like a margarita with ice,
Very nice.
slushy, vodka,
My God,
Bomb.
that's a great. I would love
and
to have that. drink.
spiced rim. You know, like imli and spice namkeen rim.
Wow.
Somebody make me a mixologist, man.
Oh my God. Hi. If you enjoyed this, like the video, share it with your friends, comment, and
Subscribe to OK Tested. So our amazing app is available on the App Store and the Play Store. You can play a bunch of quizzes with your friends, get a lot of exclusive content.
also keep watching OK Tested because we keep testing our limits.